Hey there again, Chad Larcy with the Mountain Life team of Keller Williams Realty, servicing a ton of folks here in the Georgia mountains. And you know, we're so very blessed to be able to do so. So if you're one of our past customers or clients, thank you so much for your business. We truly are grateful. And you know, I'm actually recording this video on the back deck of one of our recent closings, one of our clients here in Blairsville, and she was gracious enough to let us shoot this video. And can you believe her view behind me? Wow, isn't it amazing? So it's time for spring cleaning. Are you kidding me? Who likes spring cleaning? But wait a minute, who likes cleaning at all? I know, there are a few of you out there, but unfortunately, I am not one of them. So, you know, spring cleaning is kind of like getting into shape. You know, good physical condition. It takes a lot of hard work, but once you've accomplished it, you feel so much better and it makes it easier to stay in shape. Well, no one really likes the work that it takes to get your home super clean in the spring, but once you're done, I know you'll be happier, and now weekly cleaning will be a snap. A clean home helps out with all that stress at work, helps with making you feel healthier, which in return will make you more focused and productive to tackle the next item on that honey-do list. First of all, try to make it fun. Open up the iTunes and grab the Bluetooth speaker and crank it up. Singing along with your favorite tunes might not make cleaning such a chore. Clean out the clutter. Dig into those closets, storage spaces, and most of all the garage. Oh my goodness, the garage. I could go on and on about that, but I'll spare you. I'm sure that you have a treasure trove of old clutter, so throw it in the truck, donate it to your favorite charitable organization, or take it to your church and turn that clutter into a tax write-off. Focus. Take one room at a time and really try hard to complete one room each day. This will make the job much more manageable, and more than likely you will end up with a much cleaner job instead of trying to get it all done in one day. And finally, how important is a room with a view? Especially looking out at these incredible mountains God created here in North Georgia. You know, cleaning windows and the entire exterior of your mountain home or cabin can be an absolute booger. Some of these homes and cabins nestled on the side and top of these mountains make it very difficult to reach and to clean. Dust and pollen can present many problems, especially with a log or log-sided home if it isn't removed. Speaking of that, did you know that a good pressure washing in late spring, of course when all the pollen is gone, could possibly extend the life of your stain at least a couple of years and maybe even more? And besides, who wants to look at those ugly black stains that build up on the siding and underneath the covered porches anyway? So get the exterior of your home or cabin pressure washed and get those windows and screens cleaned as well. Quick tip, be sure to clean those windows on a cloudy day to ensure the sun won't dry the cleanser before you're done wiping. I hope this information has been helpful. If we can help you with your spring cleaning of your mountain home or cabin, please don't hesitate to let us know. We know all the right folks to call, and we'd be grateful for the opportunity to assist you with that, or of any of your real estate needs or desires here in North Georgia as well. Until the next time, remember that you can make the choice each morning to make that day the best it can be, and I hope you'll do so. So take care, make it a great day, and enjoy the mountain life.